Oh! Hold on a sec. Hello guys, sono Maestro Iacopelli. Ma sono sporchi i miei denti. Welcome back. Like you can see, we are in the heart of Huntington Beach. I'm just cruising here with the pizza oven and then making pizza at the same time here on the street. But the most important thing is today, like the title says, we are going to compare a $30,000 oven with a $1,000 pizza oven. So let's go ahead, let's come inside and come with me. This is gonna be fun. The restaurant is packed, it's full. We're shooting a video. The pizzaiolo, they don't know anything. They don't know anything. Oh, ragazzi, buongiorno.
Sei qua.
So like you can see, the restaurant is full. They don't know anything. Ciao ragazzi.
Ciao ragazza.
Sono qua.
Qua sei.
Yeah, I'm here to compare this $30,000 oven versus $1,000 oven. I want to see if this oven will make a better pizza than this little oven. If you follow me, a few years ago, I did a video about I compared this oven, $30,000 oven versus $100 oven. Today we upgraded. I want to see if I can beat this $30,000 oven with a $1,000 pizza oven. And let's see who's gonna win. Here we go, guys. Buongiorno. We're gonna meet. Hold on. Let's set up this because this is gonna be the new competitor. Upgraded 1,000 pizza oven. Let's twist this. It's on, up and going. Meet Davide.
Hi guys.
Davide is from
Italy, Naples,
Napoli.
Pozzuoli. 24 years.
1 year. Been here.
In America, 6 months.
How many years you been making pizza?
10 years.
10 years versus 35 years. Okay, let's go. So let's make this pizza. You against me. $30,000 versus $1,000 pizza oven.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, you ready? Okay, let's do it. It's not a race track here. It's about how the oven cooks. Voila, top class. What are you gonna make, Davide? What pizza are you gonna make? I'm gonna make
One margherita. It's a very classic, popular pizza in Italy.
you eat the margherita, I eat something different here. What's this? Pistacchio.
Pistacchio,
Ma
yeah.
va sotto? No, il pesto?
Sì, pesto.
Ce l'hai? Okay, I'm gonna do pesto, beso pesto. Voila. Sausage Italia, why not? You know what I'm saying? Voila. Sorry, you are in the middle of the rush here. C'è un macello oggi. Put some parmesan there too. Here, put some mozzarella right there. And ready. This competition, we're gonna judge the cooking part. We're gonna prove if it's soft and crunchy.
Let's go.
Okay, we're gonna go in the same time. I got my custom peel, look at this. Top class, look guys, look. Flour. Peel. Voila. Vito, are you ready to go in the oven? Okay, bro, we're gonna go in the same time. Okay. Okay, the time starts now. I'll lower down the flame here. Minimum flame. Voila. Of course, your oven is gonna use in the middle of the rush. Is making some pizza here. Ooh. Mine's cooking lovely. Yours is there. Let me get the peel. Don't stop the video. Don't stop the video. Voila. Mine's getting there. This video is gonna be so raw, fast, classic, no editing. Man, it's hard to beat a $30,000 pizza oven, eh? We got the high flame there. He's cooking there. Don't burn the pizza, Davide. Don't burn the pizza.
More pizza.
Let me check. I don't get distracted here. Whew. I got so much space here. About to be ready. Oh, your pizza is ready. No, put it on the plate. Oh, right here. Put it right here. Sorry. Okay, his pizza is ready, so of course you cook it faster. Let me get the plate. This one is getting there. I think a few minutes more. I'm just rushing here because they are in the middle of the rush. People are waiting for. Scusami, eh. Try to cook it to perfection. At least we didn't win on the time, but we're gonna see on the cooking. Davide, ci sei? My pizza is ready. Posso avere un piatto? Posso avere? Lo so. Let me check. Okay. Give me one. No. Okay. Boom. Voila. Okay. Let's see these ovens. These pizzas. Here we go. $30,000 versus $1,000 pizza oven. Let's check out the bottom. Guarda da sotto, che ne pensi? Questa un po' più cotta, un bel po' But guys, we leave the comments below. Gio, please tell me what you think of these pizzas. What do you think will won? $30,000 pizza oven versus $1,000 pizza oven. What do you guys think? Tell me in the comment. Okay, we got some guests here, guys.
Thank you.
Okay, so we got Vincent in the house.
Hey.
Vincent Ramos.
Yes, sir.
And we got Darren.
Hey, how you doing?
Both of my students.
I learn from the best, you know, what can we say?
Yeah, definitely. You can start online and then go in person and get top class masterclass at Maestro Vito.
We are here to test the pizza. Let's see what you guys think. Okay, I'm gonna go with 30,000.
We eat with our eyes first, right?
Yes.
So if I'm eating with my eyes, the 30,000, bro.
Of course.
30,000.
I like the 1,000, man. I like this one.
For the look.
Yeah.
Some people like cheap things, you know?
For the pound for pound.
Some people like cheap things.
Okay, so let's go with the taste now.
Yeah. Ching ching.
Chin chin.
Ching, ching.
It's a little bit overcooked on the bottom because the wood.
Fresh.
Top class.
Of course, it's good.
What I'm noticing is this is just soft and soft. There's no soft and crunchy.
Soft and crunchy. That's the goal here. We're looking to soft and crunchy texture. Let's get to this one. This is actually a little bit better on the bottom.
Okay. Ching ching.
Chin chin, guys.
Ching ching. Ching ching. Ching ching.
Biggest supporter here. Now,
What's it, man?
This is why I like cheap things, like he says. This is why I like cheap things. $1,000 oven.
So why?
$1,000 over, bro.
$1,000 oven is soft and crunchy.
Yeah.
Why? I know why.
It's actually tastes a little bit better.
Did you make this one?
Yeah, I did.
That's why.
I know why.
No, man, come on, man. We're judging the pizza over here.
I know what the secret is.
No, but I have to say, probably the wood oven was too hot. It cooked like in about maybe 60 seconds. How much
Really
was
fast.
that?
It was really fast. Yeah.
But anyway, guys, now it's your turn. Tell me in the comment what you guys think. Which one win? We're gonna enjoy this pizza with a beautiful view. Okay.